Hi there, welcome back for day 20 of our 30 days of PCOS and yoga. That means we are 2/3 of the way through. This clap is for you, my friend. Today, on day 20, we're going to be doing Warrior 2. Now, Warrior 2 is a lovely way to once again stretch and strengthen those very important legs and increase blood circulation in the hips and groin area. Very important for reproductive health. So we're going to go ahead and roll out our mats and get started so we can get into Warrior 2.
Come to stand in the center of your mat. Face the long edge of your mat and make sure that your toes are also pointed towards the long edge of your mat. Place your hands on your hips. Turn your right foot so that your toes are facing the short edge of your mat. Bend your right knee over your right ankle. Extend your arms into a T. Look over your right fingertips. Straighten your right knee. Turn your right toes to face the long edge of your mat, and turn your left toes to face the back short edge of your mat. Let's repeat on the left side. Bend your left knee. Make sure that your torso is also facing the long edge of your mat as much as possible. Extend your arms out into a T and look over your left fingertips. Straighten your left knee. Turn your toes in and heel toe your feet back together until they're underneath your hips. See you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you enjoyed this video, you'll like my other ones, I promise. So check out both the playlist and another suggested video.